Yeah. So look at question number 1, part 2. Look at that. What is that? Is there more friction between a car and a road on a sunny day or a rainy day? And why? Anyone tell me the answer? On a sunny day or a rainy day? Think about it. क्या होगा? Sunny day, the road will be completely dry. कोई पानी नहीं होगा. Right? No water मतलब more friction. Simple. A rainy day, whenever it rains, the road becomes wet. So, right, wet मतलब क्या होगा? पानी होगा ना. So water will act as a lubricant. Water will act as a lubricant and there will be less friction in case of rainy day. But dry day में क्या होगा? No water, no lubricant in between, the friction will be more. Simple. We can write the answer as the friction will be greater in the case of a sunny day because for sunny days the road will be dry and the friction will be more. Okay? Anything else? इसमें और कोई doubt है? Concept check, any other question? Get it cleared? We have to discuss NCERT also. Question number 1, part 5. Look at part 5. If a student is pulling a load up on an inclined plane, what are the forces he has to overcome? Good question. Right. So, think about this, okay? Let's suppose there is an inclined plane. You are the student and you are pulling or pushing. Okay, what is it doing in that case? Is pulling a load up. Okay. Incline का मतलब क्या होगा? Incline मतलब do you not know what incline is? This is the ground. अगर मान लो if the horizontal is the ground, ठीक है? The horizontal is the ground. मतलब if this is the ground, and obviously if you have any step ऐसा मान लो any steep मान लो, any slope मान लो, what will that be? It will be called as incline. That's it. Okay? So if you have any inclined slope, can be of any angle or anything. Now there is an object here and a student is pulling it upwards. He is pulling it upwards. Okay? Now if it's this case, then what all forces will act on the body? एक तो gravitational force नीचे की तरफ होगा, but he'll have to overcome that also because he's pulling it upwards. Right? He has to overcome gravitational force. What about frictional force? Frictional force रहेगा. Right? He'll have to overcome both gravitational and frictional force. This will be gravitational force and the frictional force will be the downward direction. Yes. That will be frictional force. He'll have to overcome both of them. The gravitational as well as frictional force. Okay? Now, Safan has asked this doubt. What happens when there is no friction between the chalk and the blackboard? क्या होगा? You will not be able to write. Simple. कुछ भी कर लो. You will not be able to write. Chalk does not stick to the board. Okay? Yeah. Then any other doubt in concept check? Make it fast. We have to also go into NCERT also. No? Let me go into NCERT questions then. See, NCERT is a very good book. You might refer any other reference book. All that doesn't matter to me. But NCERT is your priority. First, NCERT should be properly done. Only then go for other books. Do not get this wrong habit of ignoring NCERT and going for any reference books. Reference books are good and all. I agree. But NCERT is more important. NCERT will give you a proper understanding of things. Or to write down, your language will improve. Scientific language. That's very important. You'll get to know many interesting things from this. Reasoning questions, also reasoning questions. The language is very good in NCERT. You have to read NCERT for कोई option नहीं. You have to at least read once, understand it properly, and even revise from that. And Shivansh Pusha, we should solve Exemplar 2. Yeah, that's a very good book. Exemplar, where you'll have very good problems, very good questions in Exemplar. So you can do that. No one will stop you from doing that. Okay? You have to have your own interest to go for extra things, right? So do it. Everything is shared in the classroom. Everything will be shared in the whole classroom. You'll find it there. And someone you're asking it now. That's very wrong of you. Chapter khatam ho gaya and you're asking it now whether the NCERT is shared or not. That's not how it works, right? I've been telling you from the beginning itself that you have to read NCERT simultaneously. Everyone, do not do this. Do not get into this wrong habit of ignoring NCERT. Might be that in your school they might be referring any other reference material like Eschand or any other material to teach you. There's nothing wrong with that. You can go through that, but do not forget NCERT. Many will tell you that all the points of NCERT are covered in every reference book. What they cover is the questions, not the points. Remember, what they cover is the questions and not the point, and particularly not the language. Scientific language आपको NCERT से मिलेगा. And you go through things, read things, understand them. एक novel जैसे मतलब think about it as a novel. Simple. Novel मान के पढ़ लो और क्या. You will read it after the class. You'll understand the concepts in class. Then after the class, read it. If you understand the class properly, it will seem like a novel to you and things will be interesting then. Because do not forget NCERT. Okay? Yeah. Let's say after what you have learned. Almost all the points have been summarized here. Almost all. Okay? So that will also sort of revision to you. That's a very good. This a riddle is also given for you. Do that. There are some interesting things. Okay, this is how you develop your skills. Because always do not only focus on scoring marks in the exam. Scoring marks in exam is important. I agree, but at the same time, your skills are important because the future मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत 10 साल 15 साल के बाद. Once you enter 11th, 10th से भी, your skills will matter, not how much you score. Skills will get you marks from 11th. And अब ये मत सोचने कि 11th का 11th में देखेंगे, नहीं. That doesn't work that way. Up say you have to develop your skills. Okay, so that's why NCERT will become important in that case. That's one very good part of learning. Okay, not forget NCERT. Right, I hope all of you have done this. So exercise में question number 1. Is this done? Question number 1 of exercise. कोई doubt है किसी को? If you have any doubt, you can ask. No? Question number 2. No? A simple direct question. Question number 3. What is question number 3? Alida runs her toy car on a dry marble floor. Wet marble floor, newspaper, and towel spread on the floor. We have 4 cases. Okay, a dry marble floor, wet marble floor, newspaper, and towel. The force of friction acting on the car on different surfaces in increasing order will be. Anyone guess? Tell me. Dry marble floor, wet marble floor, newspaper, and towel. Tell me. Let's see how many of you can answer. Think about it and tell me the order. I mean, यहाँ पे the order is given A, B, C, D. Which option will be correct? Yeah. A, B, C, D. कौन सा option correct होगा? Let's look at the options. Increasing order. So सबसे least friction किस में होगा? Wet marble floor. सबसे least friction floor किस में होगा? Wet marble floor जहाँ पे गीला है, you will easily fall down, right? So wet marble floor, then comes the dry marble floor. क्यों? Because marble मतलब it will be smooth. Yes, right? Marble मतलब it will be smooth. There is one saying, okay? It's not saying, it's actually true. I mean, in a sense. When there are babies, okay, babies of 1 year old or anything, when they try to learn to walk, it's better to make them learn in like villages, not in cities where you have marble floors. Because when they learn, grip is very important. The friction, there should be sufficient friction for the floor. Marble में तो friction नहीं होगा. That's why it will be difficult for them to learn walking on marble floor. It's not that they will not learn, they will learn, but it will take time. It will be a slow process. But if that thing happens in villages, generally villages may not find a smooth marble floor and all. Okay? The flooring will be a bit rough. In proper villages, if you go in proper villages, even my village will have a bit rough surface, right? Right. So their learning to walk will be very easy for kids, the babies. Okay? And actually, if you see like many cases, like anywhere in cities, basically, they'll get you this for making them learn to walk. Let's say, like sort of like, I don't know what you call that, but in which they put the child and there will be wheels to that, and the child walks when that thing moves. देखा आपने? For babies, if you have there is any sister, brother, कोई भी है, तो you'll find that, right? So that's why, okay. So friction is very important in those cases also. ठीक है, just giving an example. Right, so marble floor मतलब क्या होगा? It will be smooth. As a child walker, okay, child walker will be, it's called that. Right, so marble floor मतलब smooth. Right, so first is wet marble floor, सबसे ज़्यादा slippery, least friction. Then comes dry marble floor, and उसके बाद आएंगे newspaper और towel. Now, how do we decide newspaper or towel has more friction? Because just do it, you'll understand. Okay, say to increase the grip, sometimes we have towel in our hands and then hold objects, right? Or newspaper like that, right? So that's one example. So the order is this: wet marble floor, dry marble floor, newspaper, and towel. Okay, option A will be correct. What's option? Option A will be correct. Clear? Yeah. Then question number 4. Right, so these are some interesting questions, right? That's why NCERT is important. You'll have many interesting questions. Question number 4. Suppose your writing desk is tilted a little. The way your school में याद है ना benches, बहुत दिन हो गए. It's been too long, right? Since you visited the school. But if you remember the benches of your school, they'll be tilted, right? Even, right? थोड़ा बहुत tilted ही होगा ना? They'll not be exactly straight. Yes? Yes or no? No. Like, why is that? Why does that happen? If I remember, in our time, like when I was in school, the benches are not that much tilted. I mean, they were like horizontal. Okay? Sasta school tha, so like cheap. So comparatively cheaper objects were like that. But your school is one very good school, so you have very good infrastructure and all. So, but it's one of the basic things. Bench, jo hai, it will be tilted. Okay? But why? Why is that? Why is the writing desk tilted in this case? Question number 4. Suppose the writing desk is tilted a little. Okay. A book kept on it starts sliding down. Show the direction of frictional force acting on it. This तरफ. How will it be? As let's suppose I'll draw it here. Left में देखो. That's the tilted part. If the book is going downwards, so friction will act in which direction? Friction will act opposite. मतलब parallel to the table but upwards. Upwards along the table. Okay, upwards along the desk. Clear? कैसे होगा? If you only write the answer as upwards, it is wrong. The answer should be upwards along the disk. That's important because the meaning will change. Upwards matlab exactly ऊपर की तरफ. That's not how friction will act. Friction is acting in this direction. Look at the diagram. Right? It's upwards along the disk. So that's why your language, technical language becomes important. Even if you know English, that does not mean that you will be getting it right. You have to make sure that whatever you write will be conveyed the proper way to whoever reads it. If I read it, it should be conveyed in the proper way. If it's conveyed in another way, in any other way, it is wrong. Simple. So that's where the communication skills, presentation skills come in. There are some real life skills. Okay, that's very important. Yeah. Then question number 5. You spill a bucket of soapy water on a marble floor accidentally. Would it make it easier or more difficult for you to walk on the floor? Why? क्या होगा? Will it become easier or more difficult? What will it be? Easier or more difficult to walk? It will become difficult to walk. क्यों? Because as friction decreases, slip होने का chances बहुत ज़्यादा होगा. Right? Now, why does it become difficult to walk? Because to walk, we need a proper grip. We need proper grip to walk. Proper grip matlab we need proper friction. So friction decreases, it will be difficult to get a grip. Okay? And hence it will become difficult to walk. Then, question number 6. Explain why sportsmen use shoes with spikes. Covered already. 7. Iqbal has to push a lighter box and Seema has to push a similar heavier box on the same floor. Who will have to apply large force and why? Iqbal or Seema? Who should apply larger force? Seema should apply larger force. Why? Why is that case? Because more mass, heavier body will mean more mass, greater mass, heavier body, greater mass, greater friction, and hence larger force should be increased. Larger force should be applied. Clear? Simple. Then question number 8. Explain why sliding friction is less than static friction. वो भी हमने discuss कर लिया. Why? Anyone tell? Explain why sliding friction is less than static friction. It is in terms of what? Interlocking. Interlocking will be greater in the case of static friction. When the objects are at rest, interlocking will be more and hence friction, that is static friction, will be greater than sliding friction. That's how you can write down. Okay? Then, 9th. Give examples to show that friction is both a friend and foe. This has already been discussed. Right? 10th. Explain why objects moving in fluids must have special shapes. Why? Why should they have special shapes? Why? To reduce fluid friction. To reduce fluid friction. Clear? Simple, right? कोई डाउट है किसी को इसमें? Okay. There are only 19 students who have attended, so let me go through that. Take attendance. Just a minute. Clear? Yeah. So remember, tomorrow you have a test. Okay. On friction chapter, you'll have an objective test. Same one. Okay. Clear? Yeah. Let's say the same marks as last time. Yeah, it will be in LMS. I'll go through the paper first. If it is tough or if it is other questions out of syllabus, I'll modify it. So most probably it will be in LMS only. ठीक है, जितने भी marks है, doesn't matter, right? Just give the exam to one. Even I don't know how much, for how many marks it will be. I just have to go through the paper first and be ready for any test. Okay. Yeah. Anything else you have to ask? Someone has a doubt, sir. Sometimes when there is water on table and we keep a cup on that water, the cup sticks to table. Why does that happen? Because of pressure. जैसे वो जो pressure हमने discuss किया, वो glass वाला example याद है? Keep a glass to your mouth, stuck in the air pressure हो जाएगा ना? Because of the air pressure, the glass will stuck to your mouth. The same way, where frictional act, ठीक है? Vacuum create हो जाएगा and pressure will act. Clear? Then anything else? Okay, then I'll end the class. Okay. All the best for tomorrow's exam. It will be easy. Just revise properly and be focused. You will get it right. Okay. Okay. Chalo then. Bye everyone. Yeah, wait a minute. Does oiling the chain reduce the friction? Yes. It's like lubricating. So when you lubricate, it will decrease the friction. True. Okay. Yeah. You can leave. Okay. Chalo then. I'll also end the class. Okay. Chalo. Bye everyone.